Everybody swear they need more money, but truth is, most folks just need more management. You ever notice how your money problems got a twin? Every time you get a raise, the bills get a raise too. That's because your habits moved in before your blessings did. You keep trying to fix poor planning with pay increases. But listen, more money don't fix bad math. It just gives you more to mismanage. You got champagne goals, but a Kool-Aid budget. If you can't handle the check you got, you're not ready for the one you want. Money is a magnifier. It makes you more of what you already are. So if you're reckless with a little, don't expect peace with a lot. You keep praying for overflow, but you're still leaking at the bottom. The problem ain't your income, it's your intention. You say, once I make more, I'll start saving. But if you won't save at 500, you won't save at 5,000. The dollar amount don't change the discipline. Every new level of income requires a new level of integrity. You can't keep moving like your money is unlimited when your math keep reminding you it's not. When you get extra, stop letting it vanish like your tax refund in April. Give that overflow a mission. Save a piece, invest a piece, tithe a piece. Before you treat yourself, teach yourself. The real secret ain't more money. It's more clarity. You can't manage what you don't measure. If you never open your bank app because it stresses you out, that's exactly why it's stressing you out. Track it, face it, fix it. You don't need a miracle, you need a method. Write down every expense, then cut out what don't match your goals. Don't pray for overflow while you're still pouring out waste. Money listens to management, not emotion. Get consistent, not comfortable. 'Cause stewardship, that's where success starts. You don't need more, nephew. You need to do better with what you already got. We love to say, when I make more, I'll do better. But life don't move like that. More money don't fix messy math. If you can't stretch $1, you're gonna strangle 100. Wealth don't start with income. It starts with intention. You don't need to be rich to act responsible. Keep your receipts, track your spending, talk to your money like you talk to your kids. Where you going? And who told you you could leave this house? Respect your resources. 'Cause if you don't respect what you have now, more just gonna expose what you mishandled. Make your goals louder than your excuses. Every time you sit down with your budget, you tell your future, I'm serious this time. You want to build wealth? Start small, start consistent, be faithful over little, and the much will follow. You can't pray for overflow while still wasting what's already flowing. Management is ministry. Math is your mirror. The numbers don't lie. They just tell the truth you've been avoiding. And when you finally face that truth, that's when your breakthrough starts. And I'm not Ted, but thank you for coming to my talk. Money talk, that is.